Welcome! Today, let's spread our artistic wings as we draw and color a beautiful butterfly. Get your paper and coloring tools ready, and let's flutter into creativity. First, let's sketch out the basic shape of our butterfly. Start by drawing a large oval near the center of your paper. This will be the butterfly's body. Great job! Now, let's add the wings. Draw two large elongated ovals on either side of the body, overlapping slightly at the top. Fantastic work! Our butterfly is really starting to take shape. Now, let's add some details like the intricate patterns on the wings, and maybe even some delicate veins. Bravo! Our butterfly looks absolutely stunning. Now, it's time to add color and make it even more vibrant. Choose your favorite colors and start filling in the different parts of the butterfly. You can use bold and bright colors for a colorful butterfly or stick to softer, more muted tones for a more realistic look. You're doing wonderfully! Keep coloring until your butterfly is bursting with life and energy. Great job on your artwork! Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye!